guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. I know it's been some time, but I just want to thank you for coming back and showing support and love. If you stay tuned, you'll find out why I've been gone so long. Thank you to our sponsors, Emerging Green, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Here is our stool from Emerging Green. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and see if we can get it assembled. Emerging Green is a small family business which sells sustainable lifestyle products. Presently, 70% of their products are sustainable, and they're striving to do even higher than that. One of their current goals is to substitute daily products with greener alternatives. And if you're interested in purchasing any of those products, you can find a link down below in the description box. As a plus, we have a 10% discount for Alecia at Home audience, and you can find that as well. Thank you so much again to our sponsor, Emerging Green. So here are all of the items that came in the package to assemble our stool. And this is a stepping stool. Again, they're made of 70% sustainable products. We have just the wood. Here is the seat portion. All of the nails and such that you're going to need. And it looks pretty simple to put together, so let's see.